I wanna know. Ain't going easy, man, the crown is what I'm coming for. Stack them up and then they fall in like they dominoes. Spanish girl and she was telling me to vamonos. I think I spent way too much up on designer clothes, and we doing things that she ain't never done before. Ooh, whoa, I wanna know.
All right, top of the morning. Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody has had a great New Year's. Hope everybody's doing good, living good. So what we have on the menu today, we are going to install the ezlip. So I want to see how much lower this is going to make my car look and how much more aggressive it will make my car look. So come on, let's get to it. Couple things first. You need to make sure you prep the vehicle. So you need to have some kind of cleaner, a towel, and some rubbing alcohol, so that way it'll stick all the way.
You win. Final touches.
All right, there it is. There's the lip on, ready to roll. Not bad for my first time. I think it looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's a solid look right there. All right, that's the end of today's video. You guys already know what to do. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.